Hi everyone, this is Miss Ballinger, and this week we're going to be doing social studies. How do communities of the past compare to today? I'm going to give you some definitions, some words that you may not know. I'm going to give you, I think there's two of them. Innovation, a new idea, piece of equipment, or a method. You may know some innovations, like some technology, some computers and iPods, and even some cars and trains and airplanes. These are new innovations. These are new ideas that people had many years ago. Public services. This is a service that is supplied to all members of a community, such as schools, fire departments, police departments. Innovation in transportation. Back in the 19th century, transportation was limited. This is the way that people traveled from place to place. Many people travel by covered wagons pulled by oxen. Today, we travel by trains, airplanes, ships, and cars. It is the technology that has helped us be able to go many different places and do many different things. Communities develop and grow. With the improved transportation that helped towns across the states grow, as the towns grew, they were able to provide public services for people. These services were schools, police departments, and fire departments. This helped the community in many different ways. Many jobs are still the same today. People farm and mine for minerals, but they do it with more technology, with more equipment that they're able to use to pull out different things in the mines and different things in the farms. They don't have just horse and plow. They have tractors and things that are bigger to help them be able to harvest more food. Land and water in different communities. Many settlers moved to new communities in search of fertile soil to grow gardens and trees. When farmers found a good place to grow things, this helped them develop in the development of towns. When the technology grew, it helped farmers be able to provide their crops and others by way of train. They were able to send blueberries and things like that because it was refrigerated now, where it wasn't refrigerated many years ago. So they were able to send it out to more people to be able to share what they do with others. Water also played an important role in the development of communities in the United States. Rivers and streams provided water for drinking and for the crops. They also provide a way for people to transport goods to other communities. You can go by boat or by ships to transfer things to other people. That way your goods and your services are able to be provided to many others. So this is our lesson for the day. We're talking about communities and how we help one another in the development of how they grow and how new technology was there to help people many years ago, and it's even more so today. So if you need help or you have any questions about the lesson, please contact me, Miss Ballinger, Miss Bibb, or Miss Parker. We sure miss you all and hope you have a great weekend and a great week.